Okay, so anyway, sorry about that. We're back to this one here. We're looking for the probability that x is between 1.2 and 2.4. Again, if we shade this region, you'll see we don't have a triangle. We have a number of ways we can handle this, but again, the easiest way to look at this is if you take a look at everything from 1.2 out to 3. So the area we shaded and then the area to the right of 2.4. If you put all that together, that is a triangle. So what we're going to do is we're going to calculate the area of that triangle, the shaded region plus the unshaded region, and then we're going to subtract out the area corresponding to the unshaded region on the right, and that'll give us the area that we want. So that is effectively the probability that x is greater than or equal to 1.2. That's for 1.2 out to 3. And then subtract out the area to the right of 2.4, the probability that x is greater than or equal to 2.4. So we've got two heights to get, the height at 1.2 and the height at 2.4. Plug those into our expressions, and as you can see, we've got them there, 0.4 and 0.133, 3 repeating. So the probability that x is greater than or equal to 1.2, that's a half, times the interval length, which is 1.8, the length from 1.2 to 3, times the height of 0.4, we get 0.36. For the probability that x is greater than or equal to 2.4, we've got a half times the interval length, which is 0.6. Remember, that's going from 2.4 to 3, times our height, which was 0.1333 repeating. If we multiply that out, we get 0.04. And then if we take the difference, which you end up seeing we get is 0.36 minus 0.04, which, oh gee, I never even wrote that was 0.32. But it is. You can trust me on that. I'm a professional. So, hey, you didn't think you were going to get away from the bad humor after all this time, did you? Okay, now one more here. I've given you a problem that I've asked you to do. So the function there has given you the triangle to draw, and then the domain here is from 0.48 to 0.52, and I've asked you to find those three probabilities right there. So if you go about the process of graphing that triangle in a fashion similar to what we just did in the other case, just remember here that if you take a look at the expression here, the expression is 1250 times x at the beginning here. So we've got a positive slope, so in this case the triangle is going to go up to the right instead of going down to the right. And you've got the corresponding answers down there that you should get for this, and hopefully you will. But if you've got questions on this or the other homework, then we can certainly handle them on Tuesday.